Hello students, how are you? Students of intermediate, I hope that you will be happy, fine and will be also feeling very pleasant in this weather of monsoon. And today is also first day of Sawan. I hope that you will be feeling very pleasant and very sensitive. I have told every stationery that you have to arrange, and now today I would like to teach you poetry, first lesson. The name of this lesson is The Character of Happy Life. In हिंदी, खुशहाल जीवन की विशेषताएं. Composed by Sir Henry Wotton. The context of this poem is that there is nobody in this world who is happy. Everybody is sad in matter of anything, in matter of anyone, and everybody is trying his best to get happiness, but perhaps no solution for anyone. So the poet of this lesson is trying his best to make happy everybody. So he represents himself with some tips that is here. In the first stanza, poet says that the person is very happy who is free from his life from worldly foundation, and he is free to use his talent according to his own desire. His talent, his education is totally upon himself. He is not subordinate of anyone. He totally depends upon his desire. He is honest, and honesty becomes safety valve. Such a person who is happy and want to be happy, and a happy person also speak truth, and speaking truth becomes a strong talent for such a person. Overall, in first stanza, poet wants to say that having these talents, having these qualities, making himself free, being honest, adopting the talent of speaking truth, are the virtues by having the life full of happiness. In हिंदी, वास्तव में सर हेनरी वोटन साहब अपने पहले पद्यांश में बताते हैं कि खुशहाल व्यक्ति अपने जीवन को, अपनी शिक्षा को अपने मन के मुताबिक इस्तेमाल करता है. वह किसी के ऊपर निर्भर नहीं होता. खुशहाल व्यक्ति ईमानदार होता है. ईमानदारी उसकी सबसे बड़ी सुरक्षा की कवच होती है. खुशहाल व्यक्ति सच बोलता है. सच बोलना ही उसकी सबसे बड़ी शस्त्र बन जाती है. प्रथम पद्यांश में ये टिप्स हैं जिनको हासिल करके कोई भी अपने जीवन को खुशहाल बना सकता है. This is the first stanza. Now we talk about second stanza. According to poet, he wants to say that a person who controls himself, who has controlled his glands into his own hand, and he has power to operate his glands according to his desire, he is happy. Such a person never fears to die. He is always ready to die, because he knows that death is eternal. There is no matter of fearing of death. Such a person is untied, means free from the worldly foundation. He does not care for highly appreciation or crisis of anyone. If anybody appreciates, he maintains himself in other situation. He doesn't worry. This is the second bunch of tips by having which anybody makes himself happy forever. In हिंदी दूसरे पद्यांश में पोएट सर हेनरी वुडन साहब बताते हैं कि खुशहाल व्यक्ति अपनी इंद्रियों को अपने बस में रखता है, अपनी तीव्र इच्छाओं को अपने नियंत्रण में रखता है, वो अपने इंद्रियों को अपने बस से बाहर नहीं होने देता है, उन्हें अपना मालिक नहीं बनने देता, बल्कि उन पर खुद मालिक बन जाता है। ऐसा व्यक्ति मरने के लिए हमेशा तैयार रहता है, वो मरने से बिल्कुल नहीं डरता, उसकी आत्मा हमेशा मरने के लिए तैयार रहती है, क्योंकि वो जानता है मृत्यु एक सात्विक अटल है, इसे अनदेखा नहीं किया सकता है, इसलिए वो इसका सामना हमेशा करने के लिए तैयार रहता है। और वही व्यक्ति इस दुनिया में खुशहाल रह सकता है जिसने मृत्यु का सामना सहर्ष करने के लिए तैयारी कर ली। कभी बताता है कि वो व्यक्ति खुशहाल है जो हमेशा अपने आप को संसार के बंधनों से मुक्त रहने की चेष्टा करता है। वो दूसरों की प्रशंसा और दूसरों की बुराई की परवाह बिल्कुल नहीं करता, वो दोनों परिस्थितियों में अपने आप को एक जैसी स्थिति बना के रखता है। I hope that these are two stanza for you all. You have to consider about it. You have to arrange your books, single book for literature. This is the first lesson. You have to read it. If any props, you may share me or make any queries without any hesitation. That's all for today. Good night.